Hi, GC News. Mema Bawumia Akwawa. The latest and hot news in one and the Bremo and Uti Sebunya subscribe ya body and say over subscribe. Now like no say video. Go say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When sa video we upload no. Also when sa can be. I feel we are like the video give us a thumbs up now feel share just say was so na e na amount for so enye bi na wo hwe na woni hu de e so e wo gara man ho afi ye hwe ensema abeto bo ye poso enti eye ensemu ya ababeto ba
ye di kan ni so obi ayi medi obi asu timi nyi medi obi an suspend me obi asu timi suspend me enye say me di nsemfo a say obi so no, but the point is that na mabre ye fe don't talk. And I heard about GJA. I don't want to talk about that institution, that association, that group, I just don't want to talk about it. But I'm entertaining crowd. The entire makers and a lot of people were calling me about it. Yeah. The fact still remains. Me member of GJA, me be so da, cause he said me, cause we're serious association. If members can go take money and organize a press conference about me, I mean your member, I've said it and I'm still repeating. 213,000 Ghana cedis. That is the amount of money. A bar say ye di amajon for and then nkro for. So mumfa nkoye press conference about Captain Smart. But come to think of this, I thank God I'm the most and the biggest broadcaster in this country. You can't take it all time from me. Shaba medase. Shaba medase. Na me Antoine ya mabiso ha. Meje di say ude wa na wa hyase. Me say single 639. Chap mame. It's no. Bomodiana to ho ase. Obapa, ma che. Say bibi aboko de. Good. The American say me ye GJA ni. Me ye bisu danamewu. Because the only journalist association in the world are onua acronym members. They are lost and lost for good. And Mekai say Yetia Wonka 213,000 Ghana cedis. Jumfo should come out and deny. It's a 2.13 billion old currency. So I'm going to press conference about Captain Smart. Me, my main can't win ne and check Ghana for me means some count. Me means slow as some can and you're number one. Jimmy Semenka. We are me mama, we are me papa, we are wine, we are wine, we are wine, we are wine. Na me se meka chro plane. Menka. Me minsro asem ka. Ena mi bunipa sro onyankopon. Esi me mi bunipa pa. Esro onyankopon. Ba se edru on my Ghana swa me pacho menjejeme. Tell ye. And then I am a professor, Captain or dear Captain Omua, dear guy. Listen to me and listen good. T. Me say, met me to be beer was as it should be a chow. But a bad Ghana, a wasama. Don't try me because one sha. They make it catch the one they may ye wono. Pema semoda, but then also family. Okay? The next point is that Miss Regana man your phone in say 1% minu benya sema.
It's a daybreak.
And Casentia Kwame Nkrumah. I am repeating.
This is the
me say
of morning show.
1% minu mi nu benya sema.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Kwame Nkrumah, the founder of Ghana. You need founders.
Captain.
He's the only person who founded this
King
country.
of morning shows.
Any founders? Nana Obwa. Obwa. JB Dankwa, he knows nothing about the name Ghana. It's a lie.
Captain Smart. The king of morning shows.
1% me no benya asema. Eba no oman kronkron Ghana. Said the sofo me papa wofa sofo yo wo adomi sofo Owusu ansa kana oman kronkron Ghana. Ene ye Kwame Nkrumah stay put. Men try. I don't know who you are. Now let me be sincere. Ghana is the only place that we have.
King of morning shows.
Aya, man, you have no idea the number of times they call me. But the fact is that on my bakupe and ye wo. Ye nyina asase so ye tie nyina no. On my bakupe and ye wo. Obi ani asase so o ma me fo me nu. Let me explain this to you. Me mami agi ene wo me. Ba me ban kran ha, me wo mami won kran. Me mami o won kran ha. Your friend Mrs. Emma Kisiedu. Emma Kisiedu ye me na, o ye me mami. Mama chi.
Wani.
Emma Kisiedu o ye me te send ne ba. Look, let me tell you this. O tibi swa aduane ebremi. Metime sesa me nema aye fi ekwa makisi edu fie ame yesi no wasa papa bi oto ne nema so me yatoso ama me me ya me fie Tantra Hills kitchen aye no said the kitchen ne be ye fe no sabi eburu sabi enyado e makisi edu na kire me obi a obetimi ama kitchen na ye fe to that standard amepe. Even the design of my bedroom and my living room, eye makisi edu. Oya me mami a me bedroom kran. Nyame de me ko chair no. Na said the mami ni si do me. Me said the mi si do no. Wo kan ya sama obey mfom so.
Ye dwene mu wo.
Ete me e makisi edu oya me mami preko pe. But agi na de me to ne yam. Posome nkono.
Onua.
It is said here, wo do wo maame no. Sana me do Ghana.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Hot
news all time.
Esesa wo ti ase se. Eye denya Yesu Kristo esuafo ni Peter bebem. Sa wona wo se se oye Kristo ni me se no. Asa bin sheda nji obi andi sa. Wona wo se se oye Kristo ni.
Onua.
Yesu Peter twi aso no twa obi aso we na ka me hwe se Yesu wo Bible no me hwe Yesu anam hodi no wasere kakra hwe Peter no so ja go back fa de hwe ho ntontwene
ye dwene mu wo
obi ho anadwen ye obesa ba biom but this time no enye se aya atwa aso keko aya kum won Tenie, listen to me, follow me. Eti Ananias ni Sapphira Peter ntwa maso okun won anamebwa as to how he killed them, the Bible did not tell anybody. I say, okatre Sapphira say, "Won di wukunu koye no, won anamo na wo hai, na yesi wawu. Oyere no wu. Peter say kan ni san ye adwuma. Or one say, cho. You can't challenge me on that because the wo can any Bible ni. Me so dey me so me kan eni ho. Nti obi ad na dwen ye adwuma. Second, yes, Manessa. Listen, if you dare, and I am saying this on authority, I don't want to know who you are. What do your mind with dear gra? A dear may you know. Look, me, my catch was a meme found baby. I make quite yet, baby. But the tear say, yes, on maya, effect to say Ghana, on maya, ye cron to say Ghana, on maya. You want gold, diamond, bauxite, oil, manganese, lithium. Name them. We have everything. Winning. Mami Kasa Mitchell. I am Akufo say I just love Kwame Nkrumah and Akufo. And you just to me. enra ne ye ne ya abrefo bo komo obodin bi kire me
Wani.
o ka che won won za akwa we oyesei o nka sam kire mo o man we mu Ajapade a every natural resource wasasi subia no ebi o Ghana ba nyame de aka na sie ye ba eso bebie
Ojaye.
eti tie Akufo time
Ojaye.
trillions of dollars and you say lithium ne boo eno no ye no an say na men and then the lithium no ye dey akwaji just $2 billion ade a worth over 1.6 trillion
Bini ni pa.
ye dey kwaji a miserable 2 billion
Ojaye. Ojaye.
bese ko awoya na matese ohini bi sit dan.
You are watching GC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na yenti lithium a womuntu abanana wontu ajai.
Wait. Bibini. Ow. Ow.
Because I didn't want to ask you.
Ni pa. Bibini.
Nana.
Ow.
Memi mo bia di nana. Want to ask you. If there's a winning lithium na ye betu no. Ne bo said ye sum atia. Any ohawa edebeba.
Ojaye.
Any mfaswa edebeba.
Ojaye.
Any sikafia bi ayakwa akwaje a.
Ojaye.
Emma so hini bi betena baabi. No waka say o si ahimfie wo ho baabi. No wakwaje 180,000 Ghana.
Wani. Wait.
Ohini bi.
Le.
What tra hwana wo kwa.
Le.
Ohini bi. Dika kwaje 100,000.
Wani.
Was said the kaji 80,000.
Wani.
Me lithium asam na hono me twen boko cause GJA Akufo time of honorable Bafo Boni or a soil scientist. Honorable Isaac or say Kweku Annan or say Kweku no Yasukwa MP. Ene Kojo Banredu that time no a finance minister. Nana do danko Akufo-Addo yai. Ye nana do danko Akufo-Addo yai. Ha? No a foreign affairs minister.
Le.
The chief of staff, Kojo Kyeremanteng, was part of that team. Yema mi Henry Hesi, Sani friend no a part of it. Plus some selected members of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Mines and Energy. I still have a copy of that document. I am daring any journalist to show one. So therefore, Ebano niema for me I took my time to follow and study. Said Ebeya mi bia manoa minim dia meka. Hey, yen ken ni bre semano pe. Yen ken ni bre sem anope. Che se twene bodin din kowie mu a ayamfo abetiri hwan.
Listen to the king.
I am futie to what the American I say. Satchene, a button din equilium. I am for one betri a guy. Or he be any assassin or was our bedroom, Smedia Sanda. So from Hene, Otimisa for Dom from Otimisa Kete, Otimisa Prede, Otimisa Pinti, continuously 1 agro for 30 minutes. Ukromo Hene or trouble.
He is smart. He
If we say, Actually, a quasro dendia. I am for one betri hwan.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
And we are saying one. You will nipa bi o ho a. Ye nan wadada. Intermetno unemu nkyere.
Ojaye.
You will nipa bi wasase so a ye nan no tin dada. Te say boas.
Wani.
Eti root ko okodo na se na obi ka che say hey ukọ akoda ne na ase ho cause akoda ne nan wadada.
Amen.
Said be your trin ne mu a ebe kan.
Amen. Oh.
Ghana for me kwaje smart me hye mo boss me oman we ye njant woman nse you he we ye hwan e wo pa fra wo position bia fra wo Dr. UN.
Wani.
Celia what the Ghana we di agora make kamadwen a kire. Simple. The next one. Say, and Rami shall say will show you also. And Rami shall show you so. 9 a.m. one baby and check. I'm the sorry call here. The tell say, share General
Ojai.
say, a Jumekua, a share in social a treso. Why? A buying way, a bin see that. Say Ghana bind the WAEC, West African Examination Council, or the Wonka.
Wait.
Eti ye mana yetiti ye morim.
Wait.
And ya show me from class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, JSS 1, 2, 3. Unquatro final exams no. Abaino at the WAEC ka into Professor the markets.
Pen.
Follow me. Dewa. Single 639.
When?
No, just follow me. I want you to listen to me carefully. I thought I am me rantesa me can some kiti bi anu odin a eno na mo concentrate wo ho mo amoyesa no mo nyansa na wo fam
Bibini au Bibini nipa o
cause penisi asempetia de entia etia ne say de wo na office say ye di watam ya ye wo no ye to ano twene papa no ne ye fama ne yetia
Captain Smart, the king of morning.
It is say ya me no ka say no school for na cultural exams ye ma no abind the wire keka until almost one market.
Wait.
Le. Eti abind na ye confused. And when I catch your hair, Honorable Dr. Yaw Editum. Many new bear my friend Elijah.
When?
And ye kesi and he say current Ashanti regional minister. Ashanti regional minister. Simon Mensa na Simon Se Mensa. Oya mi MP. Me te stresso, me wo dan e wo stresso. Me han. And me catch and say, Honorable ade ye ya wo ye. O man constituency nkoye. Ha den. Me nchirem. Okay, Japan document na edu baby na original one pa correct one na ye use na ni din wom. So ya ade bi dodo. Onne jombo adu. Document nyame nam tro yo. Ba ma mentin free ho nchen kakra na memra. Ejapade sa na efe no. Document no bia suro so be ka ho asem okrum ha. Me onua the entire onua team yen and yet we dey Ejapade to TV so. Me phone no wa ha nka me kire o. Gabi o kire da ko send me message. Gabi ani abre. Ofra me mprenu mamfa. Ena o send me text message. Owie no de WhatsApp pay so.
Wait.
If it's a sad document no. No be asro so be ka ho asem wo Ghana ha. It took me and my team. We did 2 TV so. On say obi e kan Ejapade because they said your boy kwan ni ho a asafofo ntimi ntwa so. Se twafo hene ni ho a asafofo omundu ntwa so. To be boy kwan ni to say na obi e kan Ejapade. Meja ma mo nko so. Men kan bi cause me be ni na mpese Ghana fo hunu His Excellency the President of the Republic of this country. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Me ka konwe ya mete so. Wambada. Se no wadwe money. Ene number 1. Chimiye. No. Number 2. Na eni ni tribi so be ma man ya etroka. Number 3. Na owo pepa. Sanko main. Sadie with DJ Akufo any pain. And I'm saying this on authority. I am okay DJ Akufo mpese ebeka. Nanado never liked Kufo from day one. Into to be catched and saw a rotten cassava.
Wait.
Besides say a course when then see here. Before Kwabena Agyapong became the campaign manager of Nanado. Mumusa. But you know what J. Akufo did? After say, look at this. Listen to me carefully. After Sunyani and everything, Kwabena Agyapong no obeye nanado dankwa Akufo-Addo ne campaign manager ni nyina no Kufo Fano as the presidential press secretary. Kufo ba no obeye oman na onyo political party. It is Kufo ase. Kufo is an incomist. Take it or leave it.
Yo, wait for we the sema abameto yepono so. Na ka wo say GCD so na wo hwe no. Se unya subscribe ya o mori na say o subscribe na like it. Na fe so wa share video no ama for any bi ahwe. Also beti a kyerɛ what you have here and so we now will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.